Okay, so the question number 1, it says, determine the values of sine, cosine and tangent for each of the following angles without using a scientific calculator. So this is exactly whatever that we had done before. Okay, for example, number 1A, determine the values of sine, cosine and tangent for each of the following angles without using a scientific calculator. So 120 degrees is related to what angle? This is in quadrant 2. So in order to find the angle in quadrant 1 will be 180 minus 120, which is 60. So you have to notice, in this case, this is special angle. Okay? Special angle. What are special angle? 30, 60 and 45 degrees. Okay? So how do we get the values of these angles? Okay, just like in your textbook, we have to draw. Okay, you look at on the right side of the page 180. We have to draw first one triangle with side of 2, and if you cut everything, hello. All right, okay. My headphone just disconnected just now. Okay, so in order to know values, the value of sine or trigonometric value for 30, 60 or 45, first you have to draw, but this one is just for 30 and 45, as 30 and 60. Okay, you have to draw a right angle triangle, equilateral triangle of sides 2. So it means this also 2, but if you cut it into 2 equal parts, you get one here and one here, one each. So since this is equilateral triangle, means the angle will be 60 degree each. Okay, so but when you cut it into 2, you will get, this is 90, this is 60, and this is 30. And the side here will be still 2, the side here become 1, and the side here is using Pythagoras theorem. Let's say I label is AB. So AB squared is 2 squared minus 1 squared will be 3. So the length of AB will be square root of 3. So we label it as square root of 3. From this value, from this figure, you could answer this question, that is, find the sine. Okay, in this case, if let's say we want to find sine 60, look at here, 60, sine will be opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, opposite over hypotenuse, that is square root of 3 over 2. Cos 60, or in this case, actually we do not want this, we don't want that 60, but we want that 120, but based on 60. Okay, 120 actually. This is 120. Okay, right. Sine 120 is positive because it's quadrant 2. Come back to our triangle ESTC. Okay, ESTC 120 is in the second quadrant, and cos 120 in the second quadrant, sine only positive, so this one will be negative. What refer to this one? Cos will be adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over 2, and then if we are talking about tangent 1 to 0, second quadrant is negative, but we look at the 60 will be square root of 3 over 1. Okay, 1 to 0 is related to 60, so square root of 3 over 1. That is how you get the angle. Okay, similarly later if you want to refer to 30, it's like this also. But then if you want to refer to 45, you have to draw or you have to build another one that is a square of side of 1. 1, 1, 1 and 1. And then you cut it into 2 equal parts. You will find that the angle here, this is 90, will be 45. This is also 45. Oh, so let me try to help you with B. We are talking about angle 135. 135 is related to 135 is the second quadrant also. 180 minus 135. Okay, it's better to write. Okay, 135. Jadi 180 minus 135 will be 45 degrees. Okay, so tangent 135. Look at here. Look at tangent 45. But since this is 135 is in the second quadrant, it is negative. But what? So look at tangent 45. It will be, tangent will be opposite over adjacent. Will be 1. Oh, I haven't leveled the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, let's say this is AB. So AB squared will be 1 squared plus 1 squared will be 2. So AB will be square root of 2. This is square root of 2. The hypotenuse. Okay, so that is tangent. How about cos 135? Second quadrant, cos is negative. And look at here, it will be whichever 45. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is square root of 2. And then we look at tangent cos and sine 135. Sine 135 in second quadrant. For sine it is positive. You don't write positive. And then in order to find the value, you look at angle 45. Sine 45 will be opposite over hypotenuse. So 1 over square root of 2. That's how you solve this question number 1A and 1B. Okay, if in case that you have any problem, let me know about this, and I would like you to continue C and E.